Hello, dears, how are you? I tried my best to stop you, but you never loved me. You used me only for your reason, leaving me, leaving me hurt in every season. Your heart is now my anguish in life, my baby. It is getting tough to survive with all the pain you gave me. What else is left to see? To truly love is the ultimate expression of the will to live, my dear. A heart that truly loves you is forever young. Love is a silent language of love. Only the heart can speak, and only the soul can understand, my dear. I love you for your faith in me, your sweet and patient ways, and for the thought, my dear, thoughtful things you do so often without praise. True lover is one who knows the words to the song in your heart, my dear, and sing them back to you when you have forgotten the words. We can't change our futures, my dear, but we can change our habit, and sure, our habits will change our future. My lovely, my beautiful darling. Everyone knows it, including my best friends, my colleagues, and even some of your friends. So I thought you would know it. I like you, my baby, my beautiful, lovely heart. Thanks for watching, like and share.